Alright, we bought a 2022 Coleman ct200u-ex mini bike from Tractor Supply, local Tractor Supply. We're going to show you, it's brand new. It's already filled full of fresh oil, 30 weight HD 30 weight oil. We're going to show you where that is and how to check it. Make sure that the bike is standing up level, not on a kickstand, but level. Pull the dipstick out, it unthreads. Make sure your oil level's good. It is. You should be able to see it. There it is. See it? So it's good. It's good and fresh and clean and clear. Okay, put your dipstick back in it. And then this bike is missing a gas cap when we got it. So we had one laying around and we put on it. But there you go. Gasoline from the, use a water bottle. No, it's not water I'm pouring in it. Told everybody in the shop not to drink it. On. Okay. Make sure this is on run. For a second or two and then turn off the choke.
Stand.
Stock. Probably going to be a dog with somebody my size on it today.
Come here, Winston.
Okay, it's not a dog. It actually gets up and goes pretty good. Feels like the back tire is really soft, so I'm going to check the air pressures. But other than that, everything seems fine. If I had to guess, I was probably doing 20 miles an hour on a 25 maybe, but that's pretty quick for a cheap little mini bike from Tractor Supply that somebody as big as me gets on it and just takes off like an idiot, So yeah, anyway, not bad. First impressions, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm going to let the wife ride it, but she won't get on camera, so Alright, hey, I appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Just did a couple-minute test ride, and just to make sure everything works, stock form, I'm estimating about 20-25 miles an hour. Not very fast, but a lot of fun. And now we're going to take the engine off because we're going to, from day one, I was going to put the Predator 224 with cam and billet flywheel, billet rod, all that stuff in it. Just make sure she worked. bike because it has metal fenders. I wish the tank wasn't plastic, but oh well. It's just a storage cabinet anyway. Anyway, I believe this is a 196. So we're going to be putting a hot 224 on it. With a cam, billet rod, billet flywheel, mikuni, and a pipe. Again, this is a brand new engine. It's got, I believe, about 2 minutes of test ride time on it because that's all I wrote. Checked the oil, put some gas in it, fired it up. Drove it down the driveway. I've already got somebody, the local minibike club, saying they want it. I was like, okay. My shop hands tools, he paints them pink. He thinks I won't steal. Ha! Yeah. Chain guard off. Clutch assembly. So it's a centrifugal clutch with a tensioner to a jack shaft to the back wheel. Kind of cool. Alright. So we're going to take all this off. practically new engine. Somebody's mini bike. We're going to put a 224 on this, but we're going to put a torque converter on it. That's the end of today's video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.